Richard Mille RM016 automatic extra flat watch with caliber RMAS7 scrutinized automatic winding movement with hours, minutes, date and variable geometry rotor. Extra flat rectangular case of the RM016 marked a new phase in the brand's history, yet the watch remains 100% Richard Mille, featuring the same attention to detail and technical achievements as its predecessors. The mechanism had to be specially extended, spread out along the horizontal plane to create a different sensory relationship with the wrist. The manufacture and assembly of the case three sections required 202 separate machining operations, and its unidirectional rotor with variable geometry and exclusive to Richard Mille allows the movement winding mechanism to be optimized and personalized to the owner's lifestyle. This titanium oxidation processing using electroplasma increasing the hardness of the metal and therefore its capacity withstand friction where occurring in accordance with AMS 2488D aerospace material norms. This compatible treatment is used in aerospace, automobile, and medical industries. The case of RM016 Tetralite is immediately recognized thanks to its unique and extraordinary color. The case is also shockproof and skirt-proof. The strap harmonizes perfectly with the case. Richard Mille RM017 Tourbillon Extra Flat Watch. Caliber RMO017 Manual Winding Extra Flat Tourbillon Movement with hours, minutes, power reserve and function indicators. RM017 Tourbillon was the first rectangular case shape in the Tourbillon range, continuing the development of the rectangular case first launched with the RM016. As with each Richard Mille watch, the RM077 symbolized the hologear values of the both traditions and excellence. As a consequence, the bridges, screws, and even the hands were hand finished, with dimension of 49.80 mm by 38.00 mm by 8.70 mm. RM017 extra flat tourbillon retains all the wrist fitting curvature and tapering towards 12 and 6 o'clock that every Richard Mille fan has come to expect. A caliber RM017 with 23 joules and beating at 3 Hz, measuring 31.20 mm by 29.45 mm, while its thickness is only of 4.65 mm. As a consequence, the RM017 manual winding movement set new standards as one of the thinnest tourbillon constructions never created. RM017 tourbillon used a base plate and bridges created from ribbed grade 5 titanium with a black PVD coating. The manufacturing of these titanium components is extremely time consuming due to the hardness of the material and the fact that titanium is flammable during the processing, thus requiring additional safety precautions during manufacture. The base plate and titanium parts of this extra flat tourbillon design had been subjected to separate and extensive validation tests to ensure optimal strength requirements.